Glad to have you back with us as we continue on this rainy, soggy Thursday morning. You know, technology is just growing by leaps and bounds, and we all know that. What you may not be aware of is a lot of that technology is growing right here in Chattanooga. Let me introduce to you Phil Sieg. Phil is the founder of this product we're going to be talking about here in a moment, and Mike Harrison is the chief technologist. Mike, good morning to you. All right, guys, you got this new thing called what? Tell me exactly what this is.
Well, it's the RingU Hello Hub, and it is a small telecom server that any small business can afford. Typically, and Mike and I, the way that we got into this was we were small business owners several times over.
Right.
And every time your business grows up, you start out with cell phones, and then you get a couple of lines, and the phones start ringing all the time.
Sure.
And you get big enough to where you call somebody and say, hey, I need a phone system. I need something that answers the phone and says, thanks for calling ABC Distributing. For sales, press 1. For accounts receivable, press 2.
Right.
Turns out those systems are really expensive.
Oh, yeah, no doubt about it.
They're very complicated as well. And after Mike and I had both just finished our last businesses, I had decided to finally do something about this. And Mike and I have been friends for years, and we talked about this particular thing.
Tell me what this little box here actually does and how it works. Mike, give me the dumb version. Believe me, I'll need it.
Everybody's familiar with streaming TV boxes now,
Right.
a Roku box or
Sure.
an Apple TV. So that essentially is the exact same technology applied to audio, to voice, that Roku or Apple does to streaming TV. And you call in over a voice over IP line. What we are is we are both the system provider and the service provider. And our voice over IP HD quality voice service hooks up literally with just a few clicks to our box. You can log, after buying the box, you can log in and have a phone system up and running in 15 to 30 minutes in most cases.
All right, Mike, as the chief technologist on this RingU device, what was the aha moment for you?
When we did our first prototype on a Raspberry Pi, and we made it work. And one of the magic tricks it does is it configures the phones. When we were able to make it go out and configure the phones without somebody having to go configure all that was the yes, we can make this work moment, because normally it requires lots of human
And that's
time.
where a lot of your time goes into, is configuring the phones itself. And what's the setup time on this?
15 to 30 minutes for a small system. For a mature business that has a dozen, 15, 20 employees, it may take an hour to 2.
That's still an incredible amount of time saving.
And most of that's tuning, deciding what you want it to do.
And it looks like it's a very simple device. I know there's a lot more to it than this, but you've got a place for what, a DC power adapter, a landline in, and
Actually, that's your internet connection. You just plug it into your network. And most of our businesses have got a wireless router, and this plugs just directly into the back of the wireless router. 20 minutes later, they're making phone calls.
Have you guys gotten this out into any of the businesses here in and around the city, or is the technology still new enough to where you haven't pushed it out yet?
We have a handful of local customers, and then we are in, what, 28?
26, 28 states.
26, 28 states.
Yeah.
Because we launched on Amazon as an e-commerce product,
Right.
and we don't have any control over where the product gets sent.
Sure.
But we provide unlimited service to the lower 48 continental United States. So
Unlimited service. Wow. You guys it sounds like you're on the path to something really, really big.
Thank
And
you.
we hope you are. Where can folks find out more about this, and if this is applicable to their business? You're only a phone call away or a mouse click away, correct?
absolutely, they can go to ring-u.com, or they can search Ring-U Hello Hub on Amazon.com. And the box itself, the heart of the system, is only $199.95.
Very affordable, so folks, check that out, and you can speak directly to both Mike and Phil on this, the chief technologist and the founder. Guys, best
Thank
of
you,
luck.
Chip.
Come back here in a couple of months and let us know how you're doing. We'd love to follow
love
the
to.
progress of this, obviously a huge thing on the way to success. All right, hang in there with us. We have got much more of Let's Chat following this quick timeout.